everyone, and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to discuss with you how to work with selection in our code. So first of all, we are going to see how to work with selection in the Revit Python shell, and then we will see how to use our selection in our plugins, PyRevit plugins, of course. And at the end, we are going to take a look at how to activate a plugin button only if we click on some element. As you can see now, it's not activated. If I click on this wall, you can see it activated. And also we'll see how to make it activated only if I click on a specific element of my choice. So now I'm clicking on, or I'm selecting a wall and it's activated. If I click on this door, it's still activated. So we can make it like activated only if we select, for example, walls or windows or a specific category. So let's start. So with the Revit Python shell, it's quite straightforward. I have this, or first of all, I have to select and then open your shell, and just the selection is ready to use. So if I print selection, there you go. So I have it inside a list. In my case, I have only one element, but still in a list. So to access the first element, I have to choose the first element. All right, and you can see it's not in a list anymore. So I can just assign it to a variable, call it, for example, my selection, and then work with it in my code. So as you can see, without importing anything, any library, you can use it directly. The second point is using our selection in the PyRevit script. So how can we do that? So I have a folder in here. Inside my extension, I have a demo tab and then selection.panel, and I have a push button that you can see in here. I have an icon and a script called script.py or Python. All right, so I have here a piece of code. So I have imported the UI for my selection. So my selection, this is my variable, is the active UI document .selection.pick object, which is a so this selection is a class and the pick object is a method in selection. It takes one argument, and the argument is object type, sorry, dot element. All right, and this object type is an enumeration. So if you go to object type in here, so this is my method that I'm using here, selection.pick object. This is the pick object, and the object type is an enumeration. This enumeration has members. If you don't know what is enumeration, it's like this object type is a week, and these members are Monday, Tuesday, and so on. All right, and they have a description. What is this member? Right, so we use it using the object type dot one of these members. So if, for example, as you can see here, I have element. Let's see what this does. So basically we don't need these two. So basically here I'm just using the selection and having this task dialog telling me a message, which is some element got selected. All right, so let me save this and go back in here, click on my script. As you can see, things got grayed out. So I have to select something, wherever thing. So let me select this wall, and I have this message. Now I'm selecting wherever element. If we go back to our enumeration, we can select, for example, an edge or a face or a linked element. So let's see, I want to select a face. Let me go back to my script, and instead of element, I'm going to type face and save again. Click again on my button here, and as you can see, I'm selecting the face, not the whole element. Look at this. All right, so here I'm selecting the upper face now. Second, yeah. All right, so here selected the face, some element. So here it's not an element, it's a face. All right, and of course you can use the other members depending on your situation. So now, how can we get this button to be activated only if I select some element of my choice? All right, so let's see. I'm going to get rid of all these, and we have to use the variable called context. All right, and then we have to type the category in a string form. So say, for example, doors. Going to save this. So it's still activated. What I need to do is go to PyRevit and reload. All right, let me ignore this one. And as you can see, it is not activated anymore. All right. So now if I go and select a wall, still not activated. If I select a window, also. If I select a door now, it is activated. All right. In my script, I have nothing, so I'm not going to click because nothing is going to happen. And same thing, of course, for walls. You can change the category. And now, how to make it activated if we have anything selected? It's just by typing selection and save, and again reload. All right, let me go back. So it's not activated. If I select wall, it's going to be activated. If I select a door, also activated. So this was it for today. I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section, and see you next time.